go to the Toystack dashboard. You're going to click on offerings. You're going to click on remix. When you go to the remix, you can find Metabase remix. Click on clone and deploy. You can give the repository name for it and create clone. So you're going to give grant permission activated, configure the project settings, provide the port number, save changes, provide the env variables if present. I'm going to pass my env, which has the basic database, port number, host name and password, and click on submit button. You can choose the plan, the choice. Click on proceed and with payment. Click on deploy from branch, select the branch as master, and I'm going to click on deployment validity and deploy. So your build logs are getting generated, and within few sec your application is deployed and is in ready status. You can go to the deployment URL and see the Metabase application is deployed successfully. So this is how the UI of Metabase.